Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2011 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Carfax has certified this Sierra 3500 HD as having one owner. This Sierra 3500 HD has just under 24,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This Sierra 3500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, perforated nuanced leather appointed front seat trim, onyx black, Denali preferred equipment group, window, power, rear sliding, seats, front bucket, GVWR, 13,000 pounds, 5897 kilograms, sunroof, power, pickup box, with side, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine block heater, exhaust brake, steering wheel, heated, leather-wrapped and color-keyed, seats, heated and cool ED, seat cushion and seat back for driver and front passenger, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, V20 diesel compatible, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic. Electronically controlled LED, wheels, 17 inches, 43.2 centimeters, painted steel, tires, LT235/80R17E all-season highway, Blackwall, customer dialogue network, battery, heavy-duty dual 730 cold cranking amps, maintenance-free, entertainment package, rear seat DVD player, XM traffic, audio system controls, rear, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD-DVD player and navigation, rear view camera system, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, license plate front mounting package, suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty, tire, spare. LT235/80R17E highway and the paint, solid. Call 816-942-7100 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.